Today, we're making crispy cheesy chicken pockets for iftar. Let's start with a clean bowl. Add fresh minced chicken.
Now add garlic for flavor. Just a little salt. Add some black pepper. This gives beautiful color and taste. Mix everything until smooth and well combined.
Place plastic wrap on the board. Take a small portion and spread it gently. Now the best part, cheese. Fold it gently over the cheese.
Seal the edges properly so the cheese stays inside.
Dip it into the egg. Coat it well for extra crispiness. Fry until golden and crispy.
Look at that melt, it's perfect for iftar.
Make this for your family and enjoy a blessed iftar. Ramadan Mubarak.